Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss some matrix problems. The system of equations has no solution, non-zero solution. So, for that type of questions, these type of questions they asked in previous 2019, 2018 and 2020. That models they are asking in JEE. So, we are going to discuss one type of problem. See the question. The system of equations x plus ky plus 3z equal to 0, 3x plus ky minus 2z equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 0 has non-zero solution, then the value of xz by y square equal to, these are the options, 10, 100, 9 and 90. Whenever the system of equations are having non-zero solution, system of equations having non-zero solution, then their determinant should be equal to 0. First, the system of equations we have to write. What are the system of equations? X plus ky minus plus 3z equal to 0. Next, second one, 3x plus ky minus 2z equal to 0. Equation 1, equation 2, and third one, 2x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 0. Equation 3. These three has non-zero solution. Whenever the system of equations having non-zero solution, their determinant is equal to 0. That is, determinant of these three. So here x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is k, z coefficient is 3. In the second equation, x, y, z coefficients 3, k minus 2 and 2, 4 minus 3. We know that how to find out the determinant of 3 by 3. Plus, minus, plus, that implies that 1 into minus 3k plus 8 minus k into minus 9 plus 4 plus 3 into 12 minus 2k is equal to 0. That implies minus 3k plus 8 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. Minus 5 into minus k plus 5k. 3 into 12 36 minus 6k is equal to 0. That implies minus 6k minus 3k minus 9k plus 5k minus 4k. 36 plus 8, 44 is equal to 0. That implies 4k equal to 44. That implies k is equal to 11. After getting the value of k, they are not asking k value. They are asking to calculate xz by y square equal to. So, this k value substitute in 1 and 2 equations. After that, we have to solve that equations. So, first solving, observe that first equation, third equation, here plus 3z minus 3z is there. So, solving 1 and 3, solving 1 and 3, x plus 11 by k value is 11 plus 3z equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 0. Here plus 3z minus 3z is we are going to eliminate the z value. So we have to add both the equations. It will becomes 3x plus 15y is equal to 0. Plus 3z minus 3z get cancelled. So 3x is equal to minus 15y. X is equal to minus 5y. X value in terms of y we got it. After that, so this x value substitute in the first equation. X is equal to minus 5y, substitute in equation 1. Therefore, it will becomes minus 5y. X value is minus 5y. Ky means 11y. K value is 11y plus 3z is equal to 0. minus 5y plus 11y is 6y plus 3z is equal to 0. 3z is equal to minus 6y. Why we are substituting x equal to minus 5y in only one equation means z in terms of y we are converting. So z equal to minus 2y. Z value in terms of y, x value in terms of y. Now consider what they are asking the question. Now consider xz divided by y square. X value is what? Minus 5y into z value is minus 2y divided by y square. Minus 5 into minus 2, 10. Y into y square divided by y square. Y square get cancelled. Therefore, xz by y square is equal to 10. Thank you dear students for watching my video. Please, if you like this video, please do subscribe and share to needy people. Thank you very much.